car near to any object. Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Ilya's World. Today my project is parking alert using ultrasonic sensor, Arduino Nano and buzzer. For this project I have used ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, some jumper wires, Arduino Nano and breadboard. I have connected A12 to positive, A14 to negative, the basic connection. Ultrasonic sensor VCC to positive, GND to negative, trigger D3 and echo is connected to D2. And buzzer positive is connected to D5 and negative is connected to negative. This is the coding. In extension, I have used ultrasonic sensor. Starting the code with Arduino begin, set pin number 5 as output, that is the buzzer is connected to D5 of the nano. And for our pin, I have created a variable to measure a distance in ultrasonic sensor as a diya. Now setting this ultrasonic sensor trigger pin which is connected to D3 of the nano and echo pin is connected to D2. If Adyan is lesser than 15, that is, if an object present near the ultrasonic sensor is lesser than 15, then the buzzer will alert. If it is greater than 25, it remains off. Let's upload. Upload success. See friends how the buzzer alert when my car near to any object. That's all friends. This is my other project. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. My name is Mohammed Enyan from Robotics.